Faster bikes got me, I think, coming in the 10 from memory, and I managed to hold fourth for a little bit.
Eastern Creek has really specific areas that you want to, really focus on, and one of the most crucial one is coming out of turn 3 up over that rise, wheelie off the top of the rise, slow down, go straight across over to turn 9, and just miss out all of the corporate hill area, and then just straight across.
So my race weekend is over. What an experience. I just had so much fun. My KTM 1290 Superduke car was awesome. It didn't miss a beat all weekend. It was awesome to ride. I felt like I was just riding my stunt bike really fast, and that's my thing. You know, the first race today I come 8th. The second race was 5th, so I was improving, and I really wanted to finish off with well, an improvement again, which I did. I come 4th. All in all, that was an awesome weekend. I finished up happy, safe, no incidents, and I can start preparing for Moto Expo next weekend. Just before I go, a big thank you to all of those out there that helped me. You know, my major sponsors, KTM, Insure My Ride, all my regular sponsors, Bell Helmets, RST, Gear, MB8 Shots, Dunlop Tyres were a big help in this one. And then a very, very special thanks to the other guys that helped me along the way with racing, particularly is Phillip Island Ride Days in California, Superbikes School. Steve Brogy has been great. He's put me through level 1 and 2. I'm still to do level 3 and 4 in a couple of weeks, so who knows, you might see me racing again. Daz at Race Centre, so they set my suspension up. Steve Tabot from Speed Angle Lap Timers, they were fantastic, and Bandit Tyre Warmers, Bandit's a legend. He's been great, so thanks guys, we hope to do this again.